In the realm of natural skin care, Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, has long been revered for its remarkable benefits. This age-old beauty secret has been used for centuries in various cultures to enhance the skin's health and appearance. Derived from clay deposits, Multani Mitti face packs are renowned for their ability to cleanse, rejuvenate, and nourish the skin, making them a popular choice among beauty enthusiasts seeking a natural and effective skincare solution. Deep cleansing properties. One of the primary reasons for Multani Mitti's popularity is its exceptional deep cleansing properties. It possesses excellent absorbing qualities, enabling it to draw out impurities, excess oil, and dirt from the skin's surface. When used as a face pack, Multani Mitti helps unclog pores, thereby preventing blackheads, whiteheads, and acne breakouts. Regular usage of this face pack can leave the skin looking fresh, revitalized, and free from blemishes. Natural exfoliation. Multani Mitti acts as a gentle exfoliator, effectively removing dead skin cells and promoting cell renewal. By sloughing off the dull and dry outer layer of the skin, it reveals a smoother and brighter complexion underneath. Regular exfoliation with Multani Mitti can improve the skin's texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and promote a youthful glow. Oil control and acne treatment. For those struggling with oily skin and acne-prone conditions, Multani Mitti can be a game changer. Its ability to absorb excess oil from the skin helps balance sebum production, reducing the likelihood of clogged pores and acne formation. The antibacterial properties of Multani Mitti also aid in fighting acne-causing bacteria, promoting clearer and healthier skin. Additionally, the cooling effect of this face pack can soothe inflammation and redness associated with acne, providing relief to troubled skin. Natural skin lightening. Multani Mitti possesses natural skin lightening properties that can help diminish dark spots, pigmentation, and uneven skin tone. Regular use of Multani Mitti face packs can gradually lighten blemishes and impart a more even complexion. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, making it a versatile choice for individuals seeking a natural approach to skin brightening. Rejuvenation and nourishment. Apart from its cleansing properties, Multani Mitti also provides nourishment to the skin. It contains essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, and zinc that promote healthy skin cell function. These minerals help in restoring the skin's vitality, promoting collagen production, and improving overall skin elasticity. With regular use, Multani Mitti face packs can leave the skin feeling refreshed, hydrated, and supple. Conclusion. Multani Mitti face packs are a treasure trove of natural goodness for the skin. With their deep cleansing properties, oil control abilities, and skin rejuvenation benefits, they have stood the test of time as a reliable and effective skincare remedy. Incorporating Multani Mitti into your skincare routine can help you achieve a clear, radiant, and healthy complexion, all while embracing the wonders of nature. So, why not unlock the ancient beauty secret of Multani Mitti and experience the transformative power it holds for your skin?